Okay, now we will see the another question, one of the bar PYQs. Here the question was, given the board diagrams, which will fail first? Okay, so here we can answer this by using the flexure formula, which is given as sigma is equals to my by I. Now, since height of the both section is same, so y1 is equals to y2 for both the cases, and we are considering movement is also same for both the cases. So here the required parameter to check the both cases is I, which is area moment of inertia. Okay. So now, as clearly we can see here, or you may try it with the calculation, but the calculation part is very lengthy. So we can just go with the thinking part is like major portion of this rectangular block is missing over here and some portion is missing. So we can just relate like I of the, obviously I of I section would be greater than I of uh, in rectangular lamina. Okay. Now here as we can see sigma is inversely proportional to I. So as I is higher, we can conclude induced bending stress is less. Hence, we will prefer I section. Okay. There is one counter question to this answer. Generally, why do we prefer I section over other? Other or per se, especially rectangular. So I think here the answer would be, or answer should be like in I section mass, or say not mass per se. Mass is same if we are considering the parameter. Sorry. More area is away from the neutral axis. Hence, area moment of inertia. I am just writing in short form area moment of inertia. So it is higher for the I section. Is higher for I section. Provided there is but else here, because they may confuse you like just giving to a rectangular like this, they will say this breadth is A and the height is B, and now you are considering the I beam of this and this, then how you will say that it is only I is the one which has high moment of inertia? Then the counter answer should be there must be some common parameter. So then first condition would be cross sectional area. I'm saying cross sectional area is same for both. In this case, moment of inertia, I'm shortly writing as AOI, is definitely larger for for I section. I section. Yeah, you will get it, I section. Hence, we will prefer I over others. And one point you may also add that if we consider of the same, same height and same and area must may be different, then also the moment of inertia is I will be less than that of rectangular, but with the some slight slow margin, near about same. And the cost effectiveness it would be because we are saving much material here. So this was the answer to this question. Thank you.